So, ladies and gentlemen, today we are having iPhone 11. This iPhone 11 has been brought over because it has display issues. It has dropped down, the screen was totally smashed. So I tried testing with another screen to find out whether it is only the screen that was having a problem, but I found out that it was more than the screen. The best way for you to come to such a conclusion is by testing with a known good screen, one that you already know is working. So we are here, I am trying to test this phone with a known good screen. This screen is working. So I will try to power it on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 seconds is enough to power on an iPhone. I will know that the iPhone is powered on, yes, but it does not have display lights. So or does not have display in general. So how do you know that it is on? If you plug in a charger, you're going to get some sound. I can see here already I'm getting 0.6 amperes, it's showing 0.6 amperes. So the phone is powering on but does not have display. The light is there, yes, but there is no display. And when you plug in the charger, you should get the charging sound. When you plug in the charger, you should get the charging sound. I cannot hear it, but it should be there. You can see there is some display light at the back, so this phone is just missing display. I want to prove that this screen is okay. I will also test using another screen. This one is not giving out any sound. Okay, oh, it is on silent mode. Let us try again. It is now active, so you should be getting the charger plugged in sound. Okay, let's try again. Don't know if you can hear it. Minute. Yeah, that is the charger plugged in. It has just been docked in sound. Then we are going to test this screen, the very same screen that is not displaying here. We're going to test with another phone. And here we are. Let us unplug it safely and test it with another phone here with me. So this is just the process. Testing with a non-good screen, one that you already know it is working, but it is working. So we are going to power on this phone. We're going to power it at the count of 5. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds. You see, it's already on. So this screen is okay. But this phone has a problem with the display. So we will not let it power on completely. Let us test with another screen again. Now I put this screen aside and I'll take another screen. Let's say maybe it is the version of the screen that is bringing about the problem, the display problem. I plug that on again. Then I am going to test. First, I'm going to test with another phone that I know is working. Then I try to power it on 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4. See, it's already 5 seconds. It's on. So this screen is also working. This screen is good. And we are having 2 original screens that are working. But this phone, if I try to plug in this screen, if I try to fix the screen here, it is not going to display. It's not going to display. It only has the display backlight, and this one can be visibly seen by, you see, the screen is okay. Either of the screen is okay. So I thought the screen was the one that was having a problem, but I managed to get another screen. Now here comes the issue. This one is the phone that is working, and I'm going to put it aside. We're having 2 non-working screens. 2. These ones are non-working screens. They are working. Then we have to test we have to check this phone. What is the problem with this phone? This is iPhone 11. What is the problem with it? The motherboard must be having a problem. Here we throw it under a microscope and try to observe it and examine and try to troubleshoot and do some diagnosis. iPhones are very extensive and they require a lot. You see, this one is the display connector, this one is the touch connector. And with the display connector we are here, you can see, this is the display connector. So for us to determine whether it is a screen that the phone has a problem, we are going to conduct a test here. And these are reasons. The first thing for you to do is double check, are these pins intact? Are they fitting or are they soldered correctly? Do they have dry joints? No, they don't. So you're going to check on the connectors. This one is for touch, so we ignore that one. We just want the display at the moment. So double check on this connector. Is it firm? Is it firmly fitted? Is it having a play? Does it have a loose joint? Is it corroded? Does it have a breakage? It does not have any of those mentioned